I think the first question is, did you go see the Barbie movie? And
I saw both.
you saw both? Did you see them together as a
Yeah.
double feature? Okay.
No,
I,
I went on Friday to see Barbie and on Sunday to see Oppenheimer.
I was about to say, because Oppenheimer's pretty long. I don't think I could sit in a movie
It's
theater that
long.
long. On a more serious note, I'm looking at the stocks of these movie theater companies right now. For example, Cinemark up 1%. AMC has some different news, so it's an outlier.
Yes, sure did.
Yeah, looking at some of these stocks in the pre-market, they're moving higher. Is this a big turnaround for the movie business? Is this going to give investors confidence that the movie theater business is officially back?
Yeah, I think it does. I mean, it's one of the biggest box office weekends that we've seen. Certainly the biggest post-pandemic. So being able to show that people will go to the movies if the content is there, and that's really encouraging to a lot of investors who think that movie going is dying.
So the fact that there wasn't a superhero anywhere involved in this huge box office weekend, what does that say about the future of the movie business? Because a lot of us were thinking for a while that blockbusters had to be tied to the IP of a comic book or some other big franchise. In this case, we do have Barbie, but it's not a comic book. It doesn't have that same level of IP.
Yeah, right. Yeah, at CinemaCon, which we go to every year, we get a kind of glimpse of what's coming up over the next year. And I'd say there's still a fair bit of superhero fare, but less. There's a lot more new IP that we found really interesting. I think studios are really getting that people want fresh IP. They really want new titles. And I think especially this weekend, we saw a real shift. And I think a lot of investors might be interested in that. People are actually willing to go see, real thinky, thoughtful pieces like Oppenheimer. And there was a big period of time after the pandemic where everyone was just, it was escapism, just get out and see something fantasy, but actually going to see something real and something getting this level of box office on top of Barbie was really, that's compelling. And so I think studios are going to be hearing that loud and clear. And it doesn't hit the box office for another 2 years maybe, but I think we'll see a big shift.
All right, so you're mentioning the studios. Of course, we have a strike in Hollywood, the writers and the actors.
Yeah.
How does that impact your long-term thesis when it comes to these movie theater stocks? And do you have a top pick?
Yeah, so in near term, there's a risk. If this goes on beyond Labor Day, there's a risk that, the actors won't be able to participate in the press junkets ahead of these movies. Now, the rest of this quarter, I think it's okay. It's not crucial. There are no big name titles that require the actors to participate. But once we get into October ahead of the November releases, it gets really critical. And there has been some talk of the studios pushing those if the actors can't participate in those press releases. So that's a potential Q4 issue. I don't think it's going to go that far. If it goes a month longer from now, that impacts, Q2, Q3 next year, and potentially into 2025. Okay. So, we really need to see something resolve within the next month. And I do think the studios are highly incentivized to, resolve this as soon as possible.
So with all that in mind, what's your top pick when it comes to the movie theater space?
IMAX. IMAX is definitely our top pick. Yeah, they got 26% of Oppenheimer on opening weekend worldwide, or domestically 20% worldwide. They have a growing footprint of IMAX screens. There's a lot of actual screen growth going on worldwide, and local language content is becoming more and more important in a lot of regions, particularly Japan, which is a very nascent market for them, very high per screen average in South Korea, India, and China's still growing quite a bit. So they have a lot of growth potential. Even Europe has, pretty small market that they can grow pretty substantially. So, there's a lot more growth there. And the name brand recognition with films like Oppenheimer, films that, they're increasingly using IMAX cameras and integrating marketing campaigns. So I do think they have a lot of growth left. And the shares have been oversold recently, particularly on, the strike and box office weakness.